With over 20 years of experience, we offer advanced software solutions for woodworking and product design. EasyWood is the ideal CAD/CAM tool, packed with powerful design features. For seamless project management, EasyWood NC integrates directly with your CNC machine. EasyBeam ensures precise production of both straight and curved beams, helping you achieve the highest quality results. While EasyWall significantly improves panel processing efficiency. PowerWind simplifies window and door design, providing customizable options for a wide range of project needs. And PowerStairs helps you create both standard and custom stairs with ease, with full control over every detail. XDesign Pro provides a comprehensive, all-in-one furniture design solution,